Everyone, good morning. I hope you're all doing well today and for the coming days. Char English. Ayan na pala guys, ang gagawin namin ngayon. Magtatanggal na naman kami ng damo. In English, maunsa man to ma. We were going
Cutting the
dili cutting. We were going to remove the weeds. Ayan guys.
na cutting.
Cutting. Sige, muna siguro na. Makulimlim guys ang kalangitan. See? Tingnan nyo guys. Ano pa lang ngayon? 7 in the morning. Ayan na pala ang among agi. Mayroon pa dun sa dulo. Yan.